Today we'll talk about how can you enable expenses category on your app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, so you just go down here, just click here on more. When you just click here on more here, then it's going to show for you like this. It's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do now, so you just click here on configuration here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to next step here. Then all you have to do now, just click here on expenses category settings. So then you come to next step here. You come here to subcategory, just click in this sign here. Like you see this color show for us, that's mean here expense category enable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.